What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another Christmas or winter cocktail. As today's winter cocktail, guys, is a Jack Frost Manhattan, which is absolutely perfect for winter, and I will show you guys how to make it. But thank you for all the support for this year. Right, to make the Jack Frost Manhattan, get your shaker and put in some ice. Right, the first ingredient to go in, guys, is 2 ounces of the bourbon. There we go. You can use peppermint schnapps if you wish. We're going to use creme de menthe to give it that nice Christmas feel. 1 ounce or 30 ml. And the last ingredient is 30 ml or 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, or that's the Rosso Martini. Right, put your lid on and give it a good shake for 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. Get your martini glass. As you can see, we've got a nice Christmas tree in it, nicely decorated, and straight into it. Looks more like a Grinch, doesn't it, with the green colour with the creme de menthe. I could say if you choose peppermint schnapps, it will be more of a brown colour. Right, and the final thing, like any Manhattan should have, it is a cherry. And there you go, one Jack Frost Manhattan. You can see mine's a green version of it. Right, how does my version of the Jack Frost Manhattan taste? It's certainly very strong with the creme de menthe, but it's quite overpowering the peppermint. I'll have a second taste. I think on the second taste, I think I do like it a bit more, as I can taste the bourbon this time. It's not so overpowering, but it's quite a sweet, I was going to say it's not sweet. Strong, I think that's my word for it. It's quite a strong cocktail with the peppermint, certainly the most overpowering taste of it. But the bourbon does complement, as I can taste the sweet vermouth in it. But so you can try this cocktail, but on a personal level, I would try the peppermint schnapps. It is a lot clearer, and I think it tastes a bit more. It's not as strong as the creme de menthe. That's my personal opinion. But I think with the green colour, I think my next Christmas cocktail will be the Grinch, which will be a lot sweeter than this one, as it has Midori in it. Well, that is my version of Jack Frost Manhattan. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid if you wish to see more winter and Christmas cocktails, and I will see you for the next Christmas cocktail, which will be the Grinch. Cheers. It's not my favourite cocktail, if I'm being honest. Knocked over my shot glasses.